Jumbo, and welcome to Aggie's Vine. If you are new, subscribe and join the Vine family. Already a Vine? Welcome back. Today's video is super exciting. You guys, I cannot tell you how I've been waiting to do this video because this company I found just blew my mind away, and I want to share this information with you as fast as possible so I can send you on your way to go and apply for these jobs, especially for this particular company that I'm going to talk about today. So I hope you've been well. So welcome back. As you can tell, I am so excited. I am so geeked to bring this video to you because I absolutely could not wait. When I found out about this company, I was like, wait, this exists? People need to know about this. So I just don't want to waste any more time. I want to go into it. I did a short on it, and I don't know if most of you have seen it or you have seen it, but if you haven't, here is the actual video. Now I'm going to tell you what this company is all about, their benefits, what you can earn, your potential income, and I'm also going to tell you one of the most important things I found out about the company. That every employee looking for work is always looking for, and I'm definitely sure you do not want to miss this. So you want to stick around until I get to the fourth point, because this is where I'm going to talk about the most important thing that you do not want to miss in this video. So to get started, this company is called GLG, Gerson Lehman Group, and it was founded in 1998, and it's headquartered in New York. Now, this is a global company, so this is an opportunity that's available to everybody globally. It's in operation in over 20 countries, but given that they have opportunities for remote work, you can literally work from anywhere in the world. So this is exciting, guys. So GLG operates on a membership model where clients pay for access to a network of experts that can provide consultation and advisory services. The company has a database of over 900,000 subject matter experts across various fields, almost 1 million subject matters that they hire people for. And these fields range anywhere from healthcare, technology, finance, energy, consumer goods. It is diverse, okay? GLG clients include corporations, investment firms, consulting firms, and non-profit organizations. And get this, even government organizations do hire experts from GLG for them to give them insight. So guys, this is super exciting. So the firms that I just mentioned use GLG's services to gain insights into complex business challenges. They use them to conduct research. They also use them on feedback surveys on their markets and products, and also evaluate potential investment opportunities. So this is what the clients who hire GLG or who hire workers from GLG expect from them. For you to be able to conduct research on markets, products, evaluate potential investment opportunities for them. And like I told you, their clients involve the healthcare industry, technology, finance, energy, and consumer goods. Guys, GLG is where you want to be. So as soon as I get done doing this video, I am asking you to go to GLG and apply. You want to stick around until the end of the video because I will give you the guidelines on how to go about applying for a job at GLG. All right. So GLG's services, we've talked about that. So GLG has offices in over 200 countries, like I mentioned earlier, and they service clients in over 40 industries. Okay, 40 industries. Can you imagine that? So we talked about the healthcare sections, which is the pharmaceutical, of course, NGOs. They are everywhere. And you guys, I just cannot insist enough how much you should check out on GLG, because this is an opportunity you do not want to miss. So just to mention a few of the countries that GLG operates in, we have the United States, of course, because that's where their headquarters is in New York. United Kingdom, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Sweden, Switzerland, China, Japan, India, Singapore, Australia, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, South Korea, Hong Kong, United Arab Emirates, and Africa. Okay? I mean, the list is not even exhaustive. These are just a few of the countries that GLG operates from, where they have, planted their offices in. But like I said before, they hire people globally because they have tons and tons of opportunities for remote jobs. And the remote jobs that I'm looking to bring to you today, because we are all about those online jobs, is you becoming an expert at insight, or rather a GLG, to give insight to the global organizations, corporations that I mentioned earlier, the healthcare industry, the pharmaceuticals, NGOs, government organizations. So what GLG does is it hires people globally. And what you do from the comfort of your home is, when the client reaches out to GLG to get insight on a particular matter concerning their business operations, GLG brings that work to you and asks you to do the research. It asks you to conduct market surveys. It even asks you to basically just perform the tasks that the client is asking from GLG. And this is the good part about it. This is what I was telling you to stick around for. The good part about it is you get to set your own schedule. You get to set your own working hours. You can take as much vacation time as you want, and you get to set your own pay because the client is asking for your insight. So let's say you get a job, a project from GLG that you feel requires you to be paid $7,000 a month or even $10,000 a month. That's what you give back to them. You tell them, for this project, I'm going to do it for $10,000 a month. And the client will obviously say, yes, we can work with you. Yes, we cannot, or no, we cannot work with you. But for the most time, the client doesn't even have time to negotiate because they want that insight from you. And these are big corporations, multi-billion-dollar corporations. So they do not even have time to start thinking, oh, this is a lot of money. No, they need the insight because they know your insight is going to help their business grow. It's going to maximize their profits. And so all they want is your expertise on that topic. Okay. Now you may go thinking, okay, whoa, such big organizations, and I might not be an expert in a certain field or this and that. A lot of corporations don't even have the time to do market research. And market research is like the easiest things to do out there. Market service, they don't have the time. So that's where you come in. They hire you. They give you that project for you to carry out for them. And then you get paid according to how much you think that project is. So you get to set your vacation time, you get to set your schedule, and you get to tell them how much they pay you. You want to head on to GLG's website, and you definitely want to go ahead and see what GLG is all about. Before I end this video, I just want to walk you through their website real quick. That way you can know 1, 2, 3 about the website and know how to go about applying for this job. But GLG is just one opportunity that you Vines and everybody out there does not want to miss. You might just be that person they're looking for. If you do not get this job, the next one might just be for you. And I will of GLG. And basically, you just want to go to Google and type GLG. It will pop up glginsights.com. And this is how their website looks like. So this is just their homepage. And they have the two parts where, do you want to become a client or do you want to be an expert? And you definitely want to be an expert. The clients are the companies or the corporations that hire GLG for their insight. You are the expert that gives that insight in order to be paid by the client. But basically, this is just what the website looks like. It has, their motto, their everything that concerns GLG is literally on their website. I mean, you can see how many countries they are, or rather GLG has offices in across the world. They have all that listed. They have their compliance. Everything you need to know about GLG will literally be here. And at the bottom, which I really was super impressed with as far as GLG is concerned, is their list of awards that they've won over the years, just for being a great company to work for. I mean, they've twice won the best award, an award for being the best place to work. They've won a culture award. They've won a global good award. They've won a world changing companies award. The other one is Fast Company, world changing leaders, top companies to work in the world. I mean, really, really super credible. So basically, you just want to go to their website, and like I said, you want to become an expert. So you will press on becoming an expert, and that takes you to their next step of, signing up and joining their networks. Now, you will be joining their network, which is this little white box out here. And it will take you into their application process. The application process is not really like a complicated process, but on their website, as far as you becoming an expert, they will list things that you need to know, like how to get paid. So you pick your hourly rate, like I had explained earlier, and your payment is obviously deposited directly to you upon completion of each project. Trust and confidence, they kind of walk you through that, and they tell you when to get paid. Once a project is completed, that's when you get paid. Just a whole bunch of interesting things that would bring you up to speed with them as far as GLG is concerned. And then once you click the join the network, then it takes you to their application process. Like I told you, it's not a complicated application process. It's just your regular filling in details about yourself, all that good stuff. And then once you do that, you will upload your resume, which is the second step. And then the rate is basically, your agreement between you and GLG. So guys, I cannot insist enough. You need to definitely go ahead and apply for this job while it's still hot.